KC channel presenting today's video. Government job opportunity, don't miss it. Yes, Staff Selection Commission 2021 online application open, last date 31st January 2021. For details, this is the website. Now I am opening the detailed brochure. Combined Graduate Level Examination 2020 for the Staff Selection Commission. Important dates. Dates for submission of online application 31/1/2021. Last date and time for receipt of online application 31/1/2021 11:30 p.m. Online fee payment 2/2/2021. What are all the various posts? Let's see. First one, Assistant Audit Officer. Pay scale 47,600 to 1,51,100. Assistant Audit Officer. Department, Indian Audit Account. Age limit not exceeding 30 years. Assistant Accounts Officer, same category. Pay level, the next category, second pay level, 7th pay. Various posts, around 18 posts in this category under the pay level 7. Age group 20 to 30 years. For assistant 18 to 30, remaining everyone 20 to 30 years. For inspector 18 to 30. Pay level 6, third category, not exceeding 30 years, up to 30. For junior statistical officer, up to 32 years accepted. These are age. Fifth scale, auditor 18 to 27 years. Fourth scale, 18 to 27 years. Disabilities, what kind of disabilities accepted? Clearly given in the brochure. For age limit, clearly given from which date and the last date. For 1827, born not earlier than 2/1/1994, not later than 1/1/2003. Clearly given. Age relaxation for various categories. Essential educational qualification, bachelor degree from a recognized institute. For assistant audit officer, desirable qualification, CA, chartered accountant, or MCOM or MBA finance. Junior statistical officer, along with bachelor degree, mathematics is needed. All the other post, bachelor degree is enough. How to apply? Yeah, this is the website, the link I given. Go through the annexure 3 and 4, read the instructions and register as, login as a register, new user, one-time registration. Very careful, the details you are given in the registration is the final one, so fill it carefully. Application fee 100 rupees. Centers for examination in all the states. Scheme of examination, computer-based examination, computer proficiency test, data entry skill test. The pattern will be applicable for each and vary for each and every post. Tier 1 and Tier 2 examination question pattern, general intelligence, reasoning, general awareness, quantitative aptitude, English comprehension. Likewise, entire details is given in the detailed brochure. Syllabus for each subject. What is computer proficiency test? What are all the things required? Everything is given clearly. Mode of selection, Based on the marks they given, the percentage, expected percentage, everything. Malpractice or misconduct, the kinds of malpractices mentioned here. Important instructions. Before applying, candidates must go through the instructions given as notice. Advised own interest submit application much before the closing date. So 31st is the last date. Fill your application at the earliest. Only one online application is allowed to submit by a candidate. Photograph, clear photograph, signature should be clear, everything should be clear. Otherwise, our application will get rejected. Formats, Annexure 1, Annexure 2, Annexure 3, one-time registration. For one-time registration, mobile number, email ID, Aadhaar number, and we need any one of the identification proof, voter ID, PAN card, passport, driving license, likewise. Filling one-time registration form, very careful, read the instruction, then start filling the application. Format, model of the online one-time registration form is, screenshot is given in the detailed brochure. Online application form. Once you registered as one-time registration, then start filling the online application form. Go through the instructions, read the instructions carefully before filling the application. Thank you, friends. All the best for your career. Do well, get success. Thank you. Bye, Praveen. Thank you.